Hi, it's Reset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Honor 600. So first, check your cable and charger for any damage and the compatibility with your phone. Then flip your phone, and right here on the bottom you can see the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools like wooden sticks or compressed air. Don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the charging port. Then you can test with another fast charger and an outlet, and go into the settings. In search, type in update, and right here we have software update, and if you have any updates then click right here to download them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.